Welcome to Amsterdam day 4. Today was so busy. I started the day at my cooking class where we made some stroopwafel. This is an iconic Dutch snack and it was so fun to learn how to make it. Then I went to the NXT Museum. This is a museum exploring technology and it was filled with so many interesting pieces and information. If you're a tech and computer lover, I would highly recommend this place. Honestly, the numerous light shows were enough to convince me. I took a brief park and lunch break where I tried another Dutch classic, bitterballen. Honestly, a delicious little snack, 10 out of 10. Finally, I went to the Rijksmuseum. This place is full of amazing art from so many different art eras in the Netherlands. Of course, there were art from other countries, but there was definitely a focus on Dutch art and artists, which I really appreciated. Among all of the amazing art in this building, I found myself really appreciating the floral and the animals and the landscape paintings, especially the landscapes with some sort of drama going on. All of the tapestries were also really interesting to me. Fabric arts are always something that I'm going to appreciate. That might just be because I crochet a lot and I know how much effort it takes to make fabric arts, but whatever, that's not the point. For all my Animal Crossing lovers out there, I saw the authentic milkmaid, which was so exciting. And then to finish off my day, I went to the Rijksmuseum Cafe and I got a nice little veggie curry and a house-made lemonade. And with that, I will see you all tomorrow.